Hey everyone, my name is Hannah Murray and I am the Media Specialist at Pierce County Middle School. This year we have a brand new web page and I want to take just a moment today to take you on a tour of our web page so that you can find what you're looking for with ease. The first thing that I want to draw your attention to is our web address right here in our URL bar. It is the same as it's always been. One way for quick access to this web page is if you bookmark this web page. One way you can do this is in the URL bar, this little I, if you click and drag it to your bookmark bar, then that will save it there and you can access that easily. Okay, so let's look at our page. We have some menus across the top in the blue bar. If you hover over each menu item, it gives you a drop down and you can select what you need. About Us, you can find staff directory if you need to contact your child's teacher. This is where you're going to spend most of your time. This has very important information like the bell schedule, school hours, supply list, breakfast and lunch menus. If you click there, it'll take you and you can print out a copy of the lunch menu. Events calendar, the school calendar, field trip guidelines, dress code, Infinite Campus, very important. This is where you'll check your child's grades. Down here under Parent Portal. And any other information that you'll need will be found under Parents. Students, this is where you will go to access information or to find information, and the items under Students are very similar to the items under Parents. We do have them in both places. The staff menu is for teachers. Activities and athletics, if you will hover over those, it will tell you what the middle school has to offer in the ways of clubs, activities, and athletics. And then you can click on each of these individual clubs and they will tell you who the sponsor is and any information that you need to know. Under athletics, I'm going to spend just a minute here. If I go to softball, for example, it will tell you, there's a little blurb about softball, tell you who the coaches are, but we also have the schedule here. So if you actually come here and click on the link, it will take you out to the schedule. So you'll have that and you can print that off. So you'll have that. If you want to go back to home, you can either click on the home button or click on the Pierce logo here and it will take you back to home. To access another school, if you have a child in another school, you can simply come to schools and select the school that child is in. I also put the school calendar here. This is easy access for you to look for holidays or teacher in service, first day, last day of school, first day of school, those types of things. And then if you need to get to the district home, this is a button for that. Okay, this is our picture. We only have one picture up right now, but it will be a scrolling header, so you will see more pictures up there soon. Over here towards the bottom, we have 3 columns of information. On the left, we have information, events, forms, links, menus. If you go to menus, then over here to the side is where you can click to print out your child's menu, and all of the school's menus are listed there. Morning announcements we do live, and so right here is where you would click if you're home or you have access and you can watch it. You can click there and you can watch our morning announcements live every morning. Right here in the middle with current news, we do try to keep up with everything that's going on, and we try to post that here as well to give you all the information that you need for upcoming events. Then the third column, we have our calendar, what's going on, what days. Down here we actually have the numbers, they're bolded if there's an activity on those days. We also have a Facebook tab, so if you click there you can see what has been added to Facebook and kind of keep up with it there. And then down at the bottom we have our schools again, and then the very bottom we do have our phone number and our fax number. So this is just kind of a little highlight to show you where some of the things that you were used to on the old web page are on the new web page. We hope you like it. We really like it and we enjoy it. If you have any questions or you can't find something that you need or you have any suggestions, please feel free to give us a call and we will look into that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.